Hello friends, welcome to our channel CAD Solution Merit, and today we will create this part using these three view. And here we have one top view, front view and one side view. So with the help of these three view we will create a solid model. So first I will start from this front view. So this is my front view. First I will draw this and I will extrude it to 52. So let's start with this front view. So first click over the sketch and select the front plane, means YZ, and start with this profile and draw a line. My shape is like this. Now apply some constraint. I want to make this line vertical. Now define dimensions. So this is 20. Again this upper line is 20 and total is 100. 100 is from upper line to this bottom line, 100. And this is 64. This is 49 plus radius is outer radius is 26. Okay, so define, and here we have some more. 49 is up to the center, and in lower side click it. Okay, this outside distance is 49 plus radius of this lower portion. The radius is 26, so add 49 plus 26. This will be the length, and here it is 20. This gap is 20 and only this is remaining. And this upper distances, this dark lines are from the upper side. This dark line are from the upper face and dotted are given for this bottom face. So this line is 64, so we will change this 64. Click OK. Now sketch is complete, and if you want to do apply the radius, so select fillet and the radius is 20. Here it is 20, and same here it is 20. And we have one circle here, so we have to define, draw a circle. Diameter of the circle is 8 and dimensions are 6 and 6. Now finish the sketch. Now we'll extrude this 52, half of 52, and change it to symmetric value, and okay. See, okay, we have some chamfer here, so select chamfer, and chamfer is axisymmetry and distance is 12. One side is 12 and second side is 9. Click here. Okay, apply. Apply, and same we will do with this opposite end. Flip it and okay. So chamfer is this. And now we have one circle and this circle is throughout. Okay, no problem. We will cut it after this sketch. So we have some geometry here. You can see this dotted geometry is here. So I will start this from our line. Okay, Now apply the dimensions and radius, and the radius is 5. Now apply 20, and this gap is 5. So sorry, distance between this line is 5. Same here, this gap is 5, close. And now distance, because we have to create this portion, so it doesn't matter how much it is long. So I'm just taking this as 26, and same here, because on the top we have this cut up to the 49. So define this value 49. This line will come up to the center of this circle. Now convert, project this line and this line, and okay. And now trim it, okay, and here also cut it. So first sketch is ready, and finish it. Hide this inner one and extrude this, and here we have 6, 6 and 5. The total is 52. 52 minus 20, 62 minus 17. Or I can do one thing. I have created this at the midpoint. So half of 5 is 2.5, and this gap will be, so this gap will 17.5, and subtract this, okay. And now check this value whether it is correct or not. Measure, this is 8.5, so some mistakes is there. Okay, we have to calculate this value again. So this is 2.5, and 26 minus 6 means 20, so this value will come 20. Now check this distance, it is okay. Now we will mirror this. Okay, see, same we will do for this lower portion. Drop this geometry. So I am starting from here, and match this line, and some fillet is there, so fillet is 15. So draw fillet, radius is 15. Now see, this 15 is from the center, so this distance will same 15, and same for other side. Close. Now see this dotted line, this is the line which is matching at the bottom face, this dotted. So no matter how long you are taking, just I have taken this value as 20, and for here just apply, or you can measure this, okay, because it will automatically adjust with this inner one. So double click and define it 26. Now I will use this project curve. Now trim whatever we don't require, and select this extrude, click, and 6 6, and middle one is 14. So here it is 7. Okay, half of 14 is 7, and after that 26 minus 6 will be 20, and click OK. See, now select and mirror this using mirror command. I think my plane is not properly. I can change this plane. Select and click over the right plane. Now it is okay. Now we have to cut this one. Okay, so first I will create this circle over this face. Here we have two circle. So inner circle is 43 diameter, 43, and outer is 52 diameter. Consonant, and distance from the bottom is 50. So drag and now dimension 50. Now close and finish. Now I will extrude this outer curve reverse direction from 0 to up to next, and unite it. Apply. See, this shape will automatically come. This value is not proper, that's why it is like this, it is coming like this. So we will change it to 30. Now the shape is also improper. Now cut this inner circle, subtract, and OK. Okay, now on the upper face, select this upper face, and here we have to draw this small circle, which is at this point. One more circle. Now define this inner circle and outer. This outer circle is 15 radius and 30 will be the diameter, and 8 is a smaller one. 8 is a diameter, and click OK. See, this gap is coming, so finish it. Now extrude this outer circle in reverse direction and up to next, and unite it with previous body. See, and this hole is subtract throughout the body, and OK. Hide this, and if you want to match it, match. This upper dark line are same as in the our view. Now for this bottom view, it is round. So first I will select this edge fillet, first and second, and 26 is the radius, and apply. Okay. Okay, we have one more circle which you can see it is dark from here because we can see from the top, and this is inside it is dotted because it is behind the upper face. So select this face and draw one more circle with same center point. Now dimension it, and this is 43 diameter. Close. This distance is still less, so we have to increase this. Just first I will cut this, then I will show you what is going wrong. This face is not going properly, so we will increase this length, which is 20. We will change it to 25. Okay, now see, this is coming up to this. And see, we have one this rib which is 26. Okay, see, for this gap I will use offset. So unite, reverse the direction, and offset, select both side, and thickness is 26, and half of this 43. So difference will come. So half of 43 is 21.5, and 26 minus 21.5 is 4.5. So this distance will come 4.5, and unite with this body and click OK. See, now this face will match. This circle, this dotted one, this circle is this, and another dotted is this one. Okay, only one thing is left, and that is this cut. So hide these sketches. Now from this face I will cut. Draw a rectangle. Now align this point with vertical, and distance is, this gap is 6 6. 2 is a gap. This length doesn't matter, so define whatever you want. It must be cut it properly. Now extrude this rectangle in reverse direction with subtraction and up to this hole. See, from this face. This is my face, and if you want to see in wireframe, go to wireframe, work plane, dark black. Okay, and for this, and for top view, this is my top view. So hope you understand this properly. If you have any query regarding this, you can comment me. Because see, one hole is still remain. So activate this first sketch. Now extrude and select this circle and cut out. Okay.